time to shop, shop, shop. I'm Billy,
And I'm not Billy. I'm Bobby.
and we're here to solve a problem for you, viewing audience. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, and I know what you're doing. You're probably picking your nose.
Yep, you are.
And the reason it's so easy to pick your nose is because you've got a jungle up there.
That's right, I didn't pick my nose if the camera wasn't on. I think I'll pick it with it on.
Wow. Okay, so here's what we'd like to do. There's nothing more disgusting than talking to a man with a bushel of wheat coming out of his nostril. In fact, here's the old way we used to have of solving the nose hair problem.
What is that?
We would cover it up. That's right. You see people walking down the street with something like this on their face, you know they've got sheaves of hay flying out of their nostrils. But that's the old way, my friend.
No more. You know why? Because we have a product for you that will change your life.
Change your life. Why? How are you going to use that?
Well, I'll tell you how.
Okay.
If for some reason, like me, you are follically challenged, lacking, if you will, up top, what we have is a system for you where this is an enlarged version, of course, so you can see the, Anyway, all these little tiny holes are actually hair separators. You stick this up your nostril.
Oh.
It separates all of your hair. Is that come out of there? Oh, I'm sorry.
It's fine.
You stick it up your nose, it separates all of the hair, and with a simple twist and a pull, it all comes out. And with this fancy, dancy little thing, you just put it on your head, hit this little button, and it will implant it in your head. I haven't done it yet, though. It works. Though.
Theoretically
it works.
Now here's what we want to explain. See this boot? This boot represents
I see that boot.
the fact that people will walk away from you if you have hair coming out of your nose.
Boots are made of water.
We want to stop that.
How can we stop it, Chris? We're going to stop it with this. Have you ever been pulled over by a policeman because he thought you were wearing a ski mask?
And it was actually nose hair?
It was just nose hair? You don't have to worry about that anymore.
That's right. In fact, what we're going to do is we're going to take, as a donation, all of the nose hair you guys pulled out, and we're going to make teddy bears out of them and send them to Haiti.
That's right. That's right.
Wouldn't that be great?
That would be great if we did that.
That's right. Now, Chris, why don't you tell me about that?
Like our other model of this one glows in the dark.
That's handy.
That is handy. Now, why don't you tell them about this?
Wow.
Wow.
This looks really clean, first of all.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's been well used.
Props, get her.
It's been well used.
Yes, it has. Now, here's what a lot of people didn't know, is that nose hair actually comes out curly. But you can't dispose of it curly because it'll get stuck in the drain.
That's right.
So what you want to do is you want to lay the nose hair out on the table and just flatten it all the way across. And then you can dispose of it properly.
That's right. You don't have to worry about that problem. There's another problem you guys don't have to worry about.
Look at that!
I know!
That's disgusting!
Have you ever been eating a sprinkled donut? Oh, smell that donut! Oh, smell... Oh! Stuff gets caught in your nose. And when you get sprinkled, especially shiny sprinkles in your nose, it draws attention. Look at this. How can you show up to a party like this?
How's everyone doing? Did you notice anything different?
Practically impossible.
That's not mistletoe.
But we can fix that. We can unclutter the junk in your nose hair so you can get a proper, clean nose hair removal.
Now here's what we're really excited about. Not only are we going to give you the super duper nose hair system.
That's right.
We are going to give you...
Oh, what are we going to give them?
Some people don't have just a problem with hair in their nose. Now what we've done is we've coated the seat with hair remover. And that's all I'm going to say about that.
Wonderful. Do we have anything else for them? One more thing maybe?
I think there's one more thing that's a super bonus. If you act now, in the next 12 minutes, you'll also receive... Let's say the hair is really thick.
I mean like barbed wire out your nose hair. In extreme circumstances, you can just chop it off. Okay. Get close enough. Okay. you can see this one's been well used. Look at the damage. If you would try to do that with scissors, you'd be breaking scissors.
Breaking scissors.
No, but you're gonna be breaking hearts when your face is all cleaned up, let me tell you. Let me tell you.
And that's all we have for today. For only $39.95, the set is yours.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.